So बच्चे next topic is ways to fund startup. Ways to fund startup. The main method of fund arrangement for a startup are the following. How we can finance the startup? First method is bootstrapping. The bootstrapping is the method of startup fund under which the entrepreneur invites in business his personal invest in his business his personal saving themselves. Bootstrapping means you have to invest your personal savings. He can request his friends and relatives also for the funds. It is the easiest method of startup fund. If you want to start up a new business, then what you can do? You can start it with your personal savings, and you can also request your friends and relatives to help you. This is bootstrapping, bache. Second is crowdfunding. In this method of startup fund is gradually collected from a large number of people through the medium of internet. For this purpose, the entrepreneur gives the detailed information of his startup on the available platform. The people who agree with him get ready to invest in startup. If you are funding yourself, it is called bootstrapping. If you are asking money from a group of people, that is called crowdfunding. So the people who agree with him get ready to invest in startup. An entrepreneur can give the information about his plan on the following sites: Indiegogo, Cato, Wishberry, and Fundlinked. These are the sites available for crowdfunding. Third is bache angel investment. Angel investment is the method of startup fund under when the rich people having interest in the development of startup get ready to invest. If you are just going to rich people, that is angel investment. You are investing your own money, that is bootstrapping. You are inviting public to invest, that is crowdfunding. If you are requesting one rich person, rich people, you are going to contact them, that is called angel investment. The following are the main angel investors in India: Indian Angel Networks, Hyderabad Angels, Mumbai Angels. These are the main angel investments. Then बच्चे fourth way to finance the startup is venture capital. It is venture capital. Under this method of startup fund, the venture capital is co-invest. The venture capital company invest in the risky but with the possibility of being very much profitable business. Following are the main companies which provide this fund. These companies are providing venture funds: Nexus Venture Partners, Helion Ventures, Calori Capital, Excel Partners, Bloom Ventures, Kenan, Sequel Capital, Bessemer Ventures. So these are some companies who can invest in your startup. Fifth method बच्चे incubators and accelerators. What are these now? The government has kept several financial institutions in the class of incubators and accelerators. These organizations provide financial assistance to the startup. The organizations which financially help the startup at the start are called incubators. These are certain special organizations who can give you funds, and they are called incubators. Similarly, when startup starts developing, the organization which gives financial help at that time is known as accelerator. Initially, you are getting funds to start, that is incubator. And when you are already working and developing, then you get finance from accelerators. So these two, incubators and accelerators, can be understood in the following manners. Incubators just help you to walk, but accelerators help you to run. These are also the organization which are formed by the government. Government have given them this task to finance the startups of entrepreneurs. Then is बच्चे winning contents fund. Contest fund. Under this method of startup fund, the competition for the entrepreneurs engaged in startup is organized. In the competition, all of them present their respective startup plans. The one who gives a better presentation is declared the winner. In this way, the winner easily gets the funds. So competition is organized and the winner will get the fund. Then bank loan. This is the easiest method. Under this method, loan can be got from the bank. The main banks for the startup includes Bank of Baroda, HDFC, ICICI, Axis Bank. They are providing loans to start up the business. Eighth is बच्चे non-banking financial companies. The startups who cannot fulfill the loan conditions of banks can easily get the financial help from these non-banking financial companies. Then government offer. To give financial help to the startups, the government has arranged rupees 10,000 crores. And quick money. Last is bache quick money. Under this method of startup fund, the arrangement of fund is made mainly in the following manners. How we can arrange quick money? Getting payment prior to the sale of product. If you have not sold the product, you are just manufacturing it, you can get the whole payment well in advance. This is quick money. Then which is sale of properties. You can sell any of the property and use of credit card. You can use credit card. For example, the companies like Apple and Samsung generally gets the payment from their customers prior to the supply of goods. Great. Apple and Samsung are getting payments before the supply of goods. So these are the 10 ways of providing finance to startups.